Hi, and this is not another episode of my series, but just something I wanted on internet from so long. And now I have a mic and a camera, so why not? Like, have you seen our society? Like, it's so harsh to women. Just, just take a minute and observe it. Oh, she's too thin. Oh, she's too fat. Oh, she's too dark. What not? What not? She wears too much makeup. She talks a lot. She doesn't wear any makeup. She looks so ugly. Things like that. And there is a whole group of people, like a whole universe of people telling us to do the things they wanted to be done. Like the whole universe is out there to tell women the way the things should be done. And there's a whole group of people out there telling them to dress a certain way, how much she should talk, how much she should study, they would get married, how much makeup she should wear, or what not. Like, just each and everything. People are there just telling women. And why? Who asked? Do I come to you? See, I'm not here to change someone thinking or something. I can't change this. Only you can change this. But the one thing I have to say, I love being a woman. I just love being a woman. It's so much fun. Like, I personally believe that, and it's true. You believe it or not, it's true. That woman is the God's most beautiful creation. Just have a look at men. Who will create them? God is also not satisfied by creating them. That's why He created women. Look at us. Like, look at you. If you're a woman, just look at you. You have so much to celebrate. Look at your body, look at your hair, look at your eyes, just look at the texture of your skin and anything. Like, people will ask, what should I celebrate? What not? Like, we can create life. Like, just look at this. Even if God want to come to the earth, He need a woman, right? From her, He will get created. So, I don't think there's something ashamed of being a woman. And this video is not there to women are better than men, men are better. It's not about it's I don't want to debate on this. Nothing. I'm just sharing something I feel personally. Like, look at men. Just look at men. They have nothing. Only thing they have is hair. Most of them don't have them also. And and in 24 hours 150 times they do like this, they set their hairs and everything. How many hair you have? How many? Look at woman. She looks so pretty, like so pretty, and just magical. Like, I'm prettiest man and I've seen the prettiest woman. I always choose prettiest woman. I'm not saying in a way of something else, but I'm saying it like, have you look at women, how pretty they are, like how pretty they are. So celebrate yourself. It's not about being pretty or being confident. It's not about being a man or woman. It's not about hating women. It's not about hating men too. It's just about celebrate yourself. As a woman, we are not celebrating ourselves, and we should celebrate ourselves because if we want, then who will, right? Just celebrate yourself. Just love yourself. Just see how magical you are, how pretty you are. Just validate yourself. If you don't validate yourself, no one else gonna do that. And you don't need anyone else, okay? The men out there, they have this huge male ego, and this huge male ego is so fragile. Have you ever seen rape cases, acid cases? Why these are happening? Because the male ego is so fragile, it can get broken from a single no. And if you have this kind of men around you who just get triggered the way by the way you dress, the way you talk, or the way you carry yourself, just throw them out right now. You don't want this toxicity in your life. And I am very, very, very lucky. The men around me, I'm not saying all men, but the men who are close to me don't have this fragile male ego. They are masculine and they carry that. And they let me be what I am and they show it off proudly. So, yeah, celebrate the men, celebrate the masculine men around you who don't follow this fragile male ego thing, and celebrate being a woman. And that's it for today's video. Bye.